Hi, this is Marley with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Taking a look at this 36 Aviara. This boat's got the two-tone blue and white hull with the twin 400 Mercury Verado engines. It's also available with triple 300s as well. This is a great day boat for Florida here, boating down in South Florida. Get out in the sun, and you've got a nice sunshade in the back if you want to get some extra shade with a big hardtop. Let's step aboard and take a look inside. So starting on the back here, you have a nice sun lounge with some really unique seating. You can see this bar stool seating here. So it's a nice area to sit and hang out if you're rafted up between boats. You also have storage underneath this sun pad here, and those pop up into loungers as well. Coming through the cockpit, we have these basins here that you can get as an optional grill. So you can have two grills here along with your double fridges. And then you've got a nice sink here with dedicated bottle storage here. And then you've got a built-in cooler. Now coming up to the helm, everything is nice and flush mounted. Everything's on the screen here, all your controls, lighting, sound system. You have your Garmin chart plotter here along with the joystick system. This boat also has a nice size head and a little cabin area if you're trying to get out of the sun. Moving up to the front, we've got a nice bow seating area with very deep gunnels, so you feel nice and secure when you're riding up front. And this can also be converted into a lounger. Right now it's in the table option. And you've also got a windlass anchor here in the front. If you're interested in this boat, please come see us here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Give us a call. My number is 754-208-3321.